Thank you very much for coming over from Poland to share the Story Seekers technique and methods with us, our team, and also with some representatives from other regions of Armenia. It was a great pleasure to have you here and to learn so much from you. And as a takeaway, there are a number of things I can manage, but I would like to stop on a couple of them, just the very most important parts for me personally, and as I can say also most highlighted by the staff. First of all, we were able finally to structure the storytelling and story seeking in our heads for our future work. That is very important for us to be able to use the scheme properly in daily life, in personal life, in professional life. And the second and the major takeaway for me is that I was able once again to reveal the full potential of my team members, to see how people who have worked for 10-15 years together were able to discover details about themselves, about their colleagues, people they see every single day, and they didn't know so much about themselves. And also it is going to be a great support for our team, because when you share one story, it becomes also the story of your colleague, as you have taught us, and that is what we appreciate a lot, and it bounded our team even more, and people started knowing each other even better.
Great, thank you for sharing such amazing insights. I wonder, what are your expectations now? How do you expect your people to use the Story Seeker skill set in their daily life?
First of all, my biggest hope, and I'm sure everyone, all 18 people who participated in the training, regularly writing success stories, stories of our beneficiaries, stories of our partnerships. We're going to use this technique in our professional work to present the story in a proper way, in a proper light. And very often we have the plot, but we don't know how to present it. After this, we will be able to improve these skills of ours. And the second, since many of the projects of the World Vision and the regional offices are in transition period, we will have staff changes, people moving, going to other organizations or staying. This will be a great opportunity for those who participated to use their personal story for the benefit of their future life, for the benefit of their future career.